Hey, what's going on? Today I want to talk to you about promoting your events, promoting your parties. If you throw or host any sort of events or parties or classes and you want to get more people to show up to them, we're going to talk about that today. I'm Jerad Larkin, I'm with Chicago Title. I teach a ton of real estate marketing classes to real estate agents and lenders, and gosh, for the last 5 years, I've been throwing events and parties, and I want to share with you some secrets and some tips on what I've learned from over the years that have helped me get more people to attend and show up in person to these classes and events. I want to share with you 2 completely free resources today that I've been using over the years that have dramatically increased my overall attendance rate at my classes, at my events, at my parties, and that's Eventbrite and Facebook. We're gonna talk about both of them and how you can use them for your future events, parties, whatever. Let's go ahead and jump into things right now. All right, so if you haven't heard of Eventbrite, I highly recommend signing up, creating an account, especially if you're gonna do events, classes, parties, whatever, because it's completely free to use, first of all, and it does a very, very good job of getting people to see your events and also reminds them via email to show up to your events. So here you can see on my screen, I'm just gonna walk you through Eventbrite. Go ahead and create your account and log in. Okay, so you can see here that I've got some events coming up here in my dashboard. If you just signed up, it's gonna be blank. First step for you is you're gonna go ahead and create your event on Eventbrite. Go through the process, set it up, add the imagery, add the description, all that be done. But really why we're back here, once you do that, is I wanna show you how powerful the email outreach is on Eventbrite, because you can send up to 2,000 emails per day on Eventbrite. And what I love about Eventbrite is, for whatever reason, they do an incredibly good job at getting emails into people's inboxes, and that's the most important part, right? So that's why I'm going to show you right now is once you're logged in and you've got your event created, you're going to go ahead and go to your actual event. So let's just pretend it's this one right here. We're going to click on the event, and then once it loads, on the left-hand side, we can do a ton of stuff, but on the left-hand side in the dashboard section, there's a marketing section. And what we want to do is we want to look at the marketing overview. You'll see a ton of information. You can see your event URL. I want to go over here to the email invitation section, because this is the section where we can send up to 2,000 emails per day for completely free. So you can see here my email dashboard. I've got emails sending right now and loading through. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click new campaign. Click new campaign. Let's just name it, right? Boom, get started. Once this loads, we're then going to get pulled up to a screen where we're then going to be able to create our email. It's automatically going to do a lot of the work for you. So I recommend just taking the defaulted information, make sure it looks good, clean it up, click continue. Next step is now we're going to be able to select our groups, all the people that we want to invite to the event. So if you're brand new to this, you're going to click right here, create a new subscriber list, okay? And let's just say, boom, it's my list, click continue. Once this loads now, you're going to be able to upload a CSV file, and you have to have it basically formatted for 3 columns, and that's going to be first name, last name, email. So you're going to take all of your contacts. This is perfect if you're in real estate. Maybe you've got your database, your sphere. I would definitely upload those. If you've got a farm list, if you need to pull emails for your farm area, maybe you're doing a neighborhood event or something like that, contact me. I can actually help you with that. We have a tool called Title Toolbox that can download emails and phones for any property within the United States. So I would recommend also doing that. That's a great move. Once that's done, you're gonna basically upload it, make sure it's mapped properly, click done, and then from there, you can select all of your lists, right? So here, let's just say, obviously, I'm doing a lot of classes and events for real estate agents. I would just go through, right, click all these lists, boom, boom, boom. And then I'd probably either start the send now, or maybe I'd schedule it out for later on in the evening. But then from there, it's gonna send out up to 2,000 emails per day and just send them out every single day. And that will start promoting the event. That's great because the emails are very good at getting into people's inboxes. But also what's cool is if they RSVP to it, we can also set up and schedule out follow-up emails that are gonna remind them as they get closer to the event. So that's tip number 1. Tip number 2 is going to be how you can leverage Facebook for completely free to get more people to learn about your event and RSVP for your event. So now I'm back on Eventbrite. I'm on the event dashboard. Let's just again click on, say, boom, your next upcoming event. We're going to click on it. Once it's created, like I said earlier, you can embed it into Facebook. So over here on the left-hand side of our dashboard, we're going to click on the marketing drop down. Once that loads, we're gonna click on the Add to Facebook button, okay? So then this screen loads. Make sure you connect your Facebook with your Eventbrite, and then you'll be able to automatically add it. So once that's done, now we're gonna jump over to Facebook and I'm gonna show you how to get more people to hear about your event right now. So here I am on Facebook. Go ahead, open Facebook, go to your Facebook business page, or if Eventbrite opened up the page for you with the event, that's where we're gonna go. And now once this is loaded, we're gonna go ahead and just start inviting people. And this is the real hack, is because on Facebook, you can have as many invites as you want. There's no maximum. So it used to be 500. Now you can invite up to as many people as you want. So what I would do is I would just start going through your list of people, inviting them. You can select up to 50 people at a time, and you can invite them to the event. I've actually got Facebook friends list, which I highly recommend setting up. You can then just click on the list, click the next 50 people, and then start inviting them in, and just go 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50. What I love about this strategy is once someone sees the invite notification, if they even just click interested, not even going, they're gonna start receiving notifications from you within this event anytime you post. So here over in the discussion board, what you can do is you can start posting just exciting and hyping people up about the event. So then what I do is I will start scheduling posts out up until the event gets closer and closer, just reminding them, hey, event's coming up. Here's why you should show up. If you haven't already, go ahead and just click that RSVP button to Eventbrite, and then you can just lock down more RSVPs this way. So that's 2 tips on how to use Facebook and Eventbrite completely for free to get more people to show up to your events. I'm telling you, from doing tons of classes and events, it's worked tremendously well for me. If you have any questions on this or want access to any real estate tools, resources, other marketing ideas, strategies, reach out to me, Jerad Larkin with Chicago Title. MileHighTitleGuy.com is my website. Sign up there to receive my 2 monthly video emails where I share other real estate tools, ideas, marketing strategies, and contact me if you have any questions. Hope this was helpful.